been thinking about for a while about building a culture of innovation for an organization. How do you have it be in the bones of the organization to be continually improving enterprise systems and continually innovating to make them better fit the organization's goals and values and vision? And I had a conversation yesterday with a developer, and we were joking about how techies are always cleaning up other people's messes. And he bemoaned the fact that he doesn't really get to do a lot of design anymore. He mostly is doing maintenance on previous solutions that have already been built. And got me thinking about the fact that there's sort of a cap in some ways on how much innovation a shop can build, because you might start off, you hire a new developer and put him to work building a new system or a new solution, and then after it's built, he goes on to number two, he or she, but then still has 25% of their FTE focused on maintaining solution number one. And then after number two, now they've got 50% dedicated to maintenance, and after three, 75% dedicated to maintenance. And pretty soon you're capped out. You can't innovate anymore because you're maintaining the solutions that you've already built. So one of the ways to address that and to enable the culture of innovation to continue is to reduce the percentage of maintenance time that's required for each solution. If that particular fictional developer only required 10% of an FTE to maintain a previous solution, you can do 10 solutions instead of 4. So using low code / no code strategies and tools really broadens out the portfolio that you can build for innovation inside of an organization. There's still other things you need to do in order to keep that culture of innovation alive and not get stuck in the mire of maintenance. But choosing tools that let you reduce that, and especially that let you hand off some of that work to business analysts rather than your core technical team, is a great step toward being able to have an ongoing culture of innovation. And of course, GTE Forms is built around doing that. It's one of our tools. And really, IDA, our digital assistant, is built around allowing lower code work to generate digital assistants. So that's a big focus for us, is try to make things easier for techies, try to make it lower maintenance, making our own lives better, I guess. Us techies are always trying to do that. But look at the tool sets and try to figure out how can we lower maintenance so that we can have a broader portfolio of business solutions.